Hi, this is Mrs. Miles recording another foundation level GCSE maths question. This is a 4-mark question, 1 mark for this one, 1 mark for part B and 2 for the one at the bottom. I know you can't see it very well, I will move it in a second. So what you have here, if you're doing this topic by topic, this is a stem and leaf diagram. It's on a non-calculator paper. So it says the stem and leaf diagram shows some information about the speeds of 25 cars. Now that's important because whenever you write an answer you want to think, is that a sensible speed for a car? So it says how many of the cars, of the 25 cars have a speed of more than 50 miles per hour. Now straight away, 50 miles an hour, I know it's not the fastest speed, but it's a relatively high speed. So you wouldn't be expecting loads and loads and loads of cars. So bear that in mind. But what you need to know is this key. So 2 line 9 means 29 miles an hour. So that 2 there doesn't mean 2, it means 52. That 8 there means 38. That 9 there means 49. So if we want more than 50, and that doesn't include 50, that means that one there, 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, and 60. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many cars? 6. 1 mark. Okay. That says find the median. Now median, okay, I always remember it. Sounds like medium, middle, when they're in order. Okay, now there are a couple of ways that you can do this. Okay, the first way is the way that I know that most of you do, and all I'm going to do in the exam, you don't have to do this, but just so it's a bit clearer to see, if I rub out my little okay, so to find the middle, I cross off smallest to biggest. So I've got 29 is the smallest, then 60. Now getting bigger this way, 31, getting smaller this way, 56, 33, 55, 35, 54, 36, 52, 37, 51. Now when you get to here, people go, well, where do I go? Do I go there or there? Well, these are getting bigger, so 38. These are getting smaller, so after 51 comes, 51 comes 49. When you get to here, and there it is. Now, before you decide that that's definitely the right, check you've got the same number of like little dashes either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, most common thing that people write there is 4. So you're saying, because median is an average, the average car travelled at 4 miles per hour. Okay, now 4 miles per hour is is an okay walking speed, but the average car, okay, would probably not be doing 4 miles per hour, particularly when the lowest speed was 29. So it's not 4, but 44 miles per hour. So always check that it's sensible. Now range. If you have a big range of heights in a class, so there's me and Keely, and here's Paul, okay, or Joseph. Okay, so this is the tall person, this is, okay, small people. Okay, a range of heights tells me there's a big difference between the tallest and the shortest person. So to find that gap, okay, I take the tallest person, take the smallest person. So I take the biggest number, which is 60, take away the smallest number, which is 29. Now this is non-calc, don't write down 41, which is a common mistake. Do the column sum if you need to, but it is 31 miles per hour. So there's a 31 mile an hour gap between the fastest and the slowest travelling speed. Common mistakes that people are going to make on this, okay, they're going to make a mistake here, but also, even if they get this bit right, they will not write that working. If it's 2 marks, you need the working there. Now, I meant to say, the other way you could have found the median, rather than crossing off, is that you have 25 pieces of data. Okay, it's 25 pieces of data. Quick way to find where the middle one is to add 1 to whatever that is. So if you've got 26 pieces of data, you do 26 add 1. If you have 30, you do 30 add 1. So you do 25 add 1 is 26. And because you're trying to find the middle, divide that by 2 is 13. Now that doesn't mean the average, the median is 13. It tells you the median is in the 13th position. So if we do what we're doing, instead of crossing off, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We still get the 44 that way. So that's an alternative way, okay? The problem is with that way is that you might forget it. Whereas if you the crossing off method, people always remember. But remember, median, this is okay because it's in order, but it must be in order. A lot of people say, oh, it's the middle. It's the middle when it's in order. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Take care, bye-bye.